Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple Zen morning routine designed to bring calm, clarity, and positivity into your day. Mornings set the tone for everything that follows, so having a peaceful and mindful start can make a big difference in how you approach the day ahead. This routine is all about slowing down, focusing on mindfulness, and creating a sense of balance. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Wake up gently. The way you wake up can really affect the rest of your day. Instead of jolting yourself out of sleep with a loud alarm, try to wake up gently. Use a soft, calming sound for your alarm, like nature sounds or chimes, to ease you into waking up. Once you're awake, take a few moments to breathe deeply. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a second, and exhale through your mouth. Doing this helps ground you in the present moment, allowing your mind to wake up calmly and peacefully. Step 2. Hydrate and replenish. After waking up, the first thing to do is hydrate. Overnight, your body loses water, so it's important to replenish it first thing in the morning. A great way to do this is by drinking a glass of warm water with lemon. The warmth is gentle on your stomach, and the lemon adds a refreshing boost of vitamin C, which helps cleanse and detoxify your system. As you sip, take a moment to think about one or two things you are grateful for. Gratitude helps to start the day with positivity and appreciation. Step 3. Gentle movement. Next, introduce some gentle movement into your morning. Stretching or doing a short yoga flow can help wake up your body, improve circulation, and release any tension. Even 10 minutes of simple stretches can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Focus on movements that open up your body, like stretches for your spine, legs, and arms. As you stretch, pay attention to your breath. Inhale deeply as you stretch upward, and exhale fully as you release into the pose. Connecting your breath with your movement helps you stay mindful and present. Step 4. Mindful meditation. After moving your body, it's time to quiet the mind. A short meditation session, just 5 minutes, is a powerful way to center yourself before the day begins. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Focus on your breath, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This meditation helps you cultivate mindfulness, bringing calm and clarity into your morning. It doesn't have to be complicated. The goal is simply to observe your thoughts and let them pass without attachment. Step 5. Set intentions. Once you've finished meditating, take a moment to set an intention for the day. This can be a positive affirmation or a simple goal for the day. For example, today I will focus on staying present, or I choose to approach everything with calm and patience. You can either write this down in a journal or say it silently to yourself. Setting an intention helps anchor your mindset for the day and reminds you of what's most important. It's a great way to start your day with focus and purpose. Step 6. A nourishing breakfast. Now that you've centered your mind, it's time to nourish your body. Breakfast is an important part of the morning, and a simple, balanced meal can provide you with the energy you need for the day ahead. Choose something nutritious like oatmeal with fresh fruit, nuts, and seeds. Oatmeal provides slow-releasing energy, while the fruit and nuts offer essential vitamins and healthy fats. Eating a wholesome meal helps keep your energy steady and your mind clear throughout the morning. As you eat, try practicing mindful eating. Focus on each bite, savor the flavors, and eat slowly. Being present during your meal is another way to cultivate mindfulness, helping you stay connected to the moment. Step 7. Connect with nature. Lastly, spend a few moments connecting with nature. Step outside for a few minutes if you can, or simply open a window and breathe in the fresh air. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body, and starting your day by connecting with the outdoors can help you feel grounded and centered. Even just a couple of deep breaths outside can make a big difference in how you feel as you start your day. And that's it. A simple Zen morning routine to help you start your day with calm, focus, and positivity. By waking up gently, hydrating, moving your body, meditating, setting intentions, and connecting with nature, you can transform your mornings into a peaceful and mindful experience. These practices don't take much time, but can have a huge impact on your overall well-being. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this routine helpful and that it inspires you to create more calm in your mornings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on creating a peaceful and mindful life.